अस्सलाम-ओ-अलैकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम जनरल साइंस के एस्ट्रोनॉमी से रिलेटेड 200 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट रिपीटेड और एक्सपेक्टेड MCQs वन लाइनर फॉर्म में पढ़ेंगे जो कमिंग FIA का एग्ज़ाम है। इसके अलावा डिप्टी अकाउंटेंट का एग्ज़ाम है, PPSC के थ्रू कंडक्ट होना है। इसके साथ ही जो चाइल्ड प्रोटेक्शन वाला पेपर होना है और किसी भी PPSC, FPSC या वन पेपर GK एग्ज़ाम के लिए ये MCQs जो हैं वो इम्पोर्टेंट हैं। ये तमाम MCQs पास्ट पेपर्स में काफ़ी दफ़ा रिपीट हो चुके हैं और हर दफ़ा एग्ज़ाम में इनमें से कोई ना कोई MCQs लाजमी पूछा जाता है। MCQs स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप लोगों में से जिन स्टूडेंट्स को भी FIA की किसी भी पोस्ट के लिए सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग कंप्लीट नोट्स चाहिए हों जिसमें पास्ट पेपर्स भी शामिल हों, तो उसके लिए व्हाट्सएप नंबर आपको स्क्रीन पर शो हो रहा है, उस पर कांटेक्ट करके आप सैम्पल रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं नोट्स का, जिसको देखकर आपको ये आइडिया हो जाएगा कि नोट्स में कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स इंक्लूडेड हैं, किस तरह के MCQs हैं। व्हाट्सएप पर ही सर आपको सैम्पल और पेमेंट डिटेल्स वगैरह प्रोवाइड कर देंगे। कॉन्टैक्ट आपने 6 AM टू 10 PM के दरमियान ही करना है। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के MCQs। फर्स्ट वन है हमारे पास, द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस डीलिंग विद द स्टडी ऑफ द यूनिवर्स इज़ एस्ट्रोनॉमी। The distance between the Earth and the Sun is approximately 150 million kilometers. The light from the Sun reaches the Earth in about 8 minutes and 20 seconds. The path followed by a planet around the Sun is called an orbit. The study of the origin and evolution of the universe is cosmology. The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. The planet known as the red planet is Mars. Hottest planet in our solar system is Venus. The galaxy in which our solar system is located is the Milky Way. The nearest star to the Earth is the Sun. The planet with the most extensive ring system is Saturn. The planet that rotates on its side is Uranus. Smallest planet in the solar system is Mercury. The term blue planet refers to Earth. A celestial body that revolves around a planet is Moon. Moon is a natural satellite. The belt located between Mars and Jupiter is asteroid belt. The gas that makes up the majority of the Sun is hydrogen. The process by which the Sun produces energy is nuclear fusion. A massive explosion at the end of star's life is a supernova. The region in space from which nothing, not even light, can escape is a black hole. The Earth completes one rotation on its axis in 24 hours. The imaginary line passing through the north and south poles is the axis. The time taken by the Earth to complete one revolution around the Sun is 365.25 days. The phenomena of the Sun appearing to rise and set is due to rotation of the Earth. The change of seasons is caused by the revolution of the Earth and its tilt. The Earth's axis is tilted at the angle of 23.5 degrees. The Moon takes approximately 27.3 days to orbit the Earth. A solar eclipse occurs when the Moon comes between the Sun and the Earth. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon. The dark central part of a shadow during an eclipse is the umbra. The lighter outer part of a shadow during an eclipse is the penumbra. Planet closest to the Sun is Mercury. Planet farthest from the Sun is Neptune. The planet that has most moons is Saturn. The great red spot is a giant storm on the planet Jupiter. The planet that is often called the morning star or evening star is Venus. A light year is a unit of distance. The speed of light in a vacuum is approximately 300,000 km per second. The force that keeps planets in their orbits is gravity. The scientist who proposed the heliocentric theory is Nicolaus Copernicus. The scientist who discovered the laws of planetary motion is Johannes Kepler. First human to step on the moon was Neil Armstrong. First artificial satellite launched into space was Sputnik 1. The study of the moon is called selenology. The phase of moon where it is not visible from Earth is the new moon. Phase of the moon where the entire face is illuminated is the full moon. The galaxy nearest to the Milky Way is Andromeda. A meteor that survives its passage through the Earth's atmosphere and hits the ground is a meteorite. A shooting star is actually a meteor. The cluster of stars that form a pattern is called a constellation. The constellation known as the Great Bear is Ursa Major. The North Pole is also known as Polaris. The telescope launched in 1990 to observe deep space is the Hubble Space Telescope. The layer of the sun visible during the total solar eclipse is the corona. The visible surface of the sun is the photosphere. The dark, cooler spots on the surface of the sun are sunspots. The planet with a day longer than its year is Venus. The planet with the lower density is Saturn. The planet known as ice giant is Neptune. The asteroid named after the Greek goddess of agriculture is Ceres. The gas giant planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The force that causes tides on the Earth is the gravitational pull of the Moon. The event marking the beginning of the universe is the Big Bang. The term for a star that suddenly increases greatly in brightness is a nova. Planet with the fastest rotation is Jupiter and with lowest rotation is Venus. Dwarf planet fondly classified as the ninth planet is Pluto. The Kuiper belt is located beyond the orbit of Neptune. The Oort cloud is a theoretical origin of comets. The period of Earth's revolution is 1 year. Period of Earth's rotation is 1 day. The equinoxes occur when the sun is directly above the equator. The solstices occur when the sun is at its maximum distance, north or south of the equator. Longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere is summer solstice. Shortest day of the year in the northern hemisphere is winter solstice. The galaxy shape that consists of a central bulge and spiral arms is a spiral galaxy. The galaxy shape that appears as a smooth, featureless light is an elliptical galaxy. The galaxy shape that has no regular structure is an irregular galaxy. The center of our galaxy contains a supermassive black hole. The astronomical unit is the average distance between Earth and the Sun. A parsec is a unit of distance. The planet that appears yellow due to sulfur compounds is Venus. The planet that appears red due to iron oxide is Mars. Planet that appears blue due to methane is Neptune. Planet with a moon named Titan is Saturn. Planet with a moon named Ganymede is Jupiter. Planet with a moon named Phobos is Mars. Moon of the Earth is the Luna. The study of the Sun is called heliology. The solar wind consists of charged particles. The magnetosphere protects the Earth from solar radiation. The atmosphere of Mars is primarily carbon dioxide. Atmosphere of Venus is extremely hot due to greenhouse effect. Planet with rings discovered by William Herschel is Uranus. Planet that orbits the Sun every 88 days is Mercury. Planet that orbits the Sun every 165 years is Neptune. The moon of Jupiter, known for its volcanic activity, is Io. The moon of Saturn, known for its thick atmosphere, is Titan. A comet's tail always points away from the Sun. The head of a comet is known as coma. Halley's Comet appears every 76 years. Space Agency of USA is NASA. Space Agency of European Union is ESA. European Space Agency. First woman in space was Valentina Tereshkova. The person who formulated the laws of universal gravitation is Isaac Newton. The galaxy our solar system resides is the spiral galaxy. Main component of stars is hydrogen. The temperature of Sun's surface is about 5500 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Sun's core is about 15 million degrees Celsius. Age of universe is estimated to be 13.8 billion years. Age of Sun is estimated to be 4.6 billion years. The planet that is slightly larger than the Earth is Venus. The planet that is slightly smaller than the Earth is Mars. Largest moon in the solar system is Ganymede. The galaxy cluster that the Milky Way belongs to is the local group. Distance between galaxies is measured in megaparsecs. The redshift of light from distant galaxies indicates they are moving away. The cosmic microwave background radiation is evidence for the Big Bang theory. A pulsar is a rapidly rotating neutron star. A quasar is an extremely bright and distinct active galactic nucleus. The star that is brightest in the night sky is Sirius. The constellation containing the Orion's belt is Orion. The closest star system to the solar system is Alpha Centauri. The star that makes the North Pole in the sky is Polaris. The term for the alignment of three celestial bodies is syzygy. The Earth is closest to the Sun at perihelion. The Earth is farthest from the Sun at aphelion. The phase of the Moon between a new moon and first quarter is a crescent. The phase of the Moon between the first quarter and a full moon is gibbous. The planet with the highest surface temperature is Venus. The planet with lowest average temperature is Neptune. Planet that rotates in the opposite direction to most planets is Venus. Planet with a day that lasts about 24 hours is Mars. Mars asteroid belt is located between the orbits of Mars when it enters the Earth's atmosphere. Total number of planets in the solar system is 8. Outer planets are known as Jovian planets. Inner planets are known as terrestrial planets. Gravity on Moon is about 1/6 of Earth's gravity. Instrument used to measure intensity of light from stars is photometer. Instrument used to analyze the light spectrum of stars is a spectroscope. First artificial satellite was launched by Soviet Union USSR. First animal in orbit was Leka, the dog. The first human to orbit the Earth was Yuri Gagarin. The mission that landed the first humans on the moon was Apollo 11. The planet known for its great dark spot is Neptune. Planet with a moon called Charon is Pluto. The planet that has a density less than water is Saturn. The rings of Saturn are primarily made of ice and dust. A star's color indicates its temperature. Red stars are the coolest. Blue stars are the hottest. The Sun is classified as a yellow dwarf star. The Hertzsprung-Russell diagram shows the relationship between a star's brightness and temperature. A white dwarf is a remnant of a Sun-like star. A neutron star is the dense core remnant of a massive star. The process of fusion in stars converts hydrogen into helium. The solar system formed from a nebula. Earth's magnetic field is generated in the outer core. The layer of atmosphere where aurora occur is the ionosphere. The term retrograde motion refers to apparent backward motion of a planet. The Earth's orbital speed is approximately 30 km per second. The Moon appears larger near the horizon due to the moon illusion. The Earth's diameter is about 12,742 kilometers. The Sun's diameter is about 109 times that of Earth. The planet with the longest orbital period is Neptune. Planet with the shortest orbital period is Mercury. The planet with the longest day is Venus. The planet with the shortest day is Jupiter. The Moon's surface is covered in fine dust called regolith. The large, dark plains on the Moon are called Maria. The mountain ranges on the Moon are called lunar highlands. The most common type of star in the universe is a red dwarf. A nebula is a giant cloud of dust and gas. The light we see from stars took years to reach us. The planet Jupiter is often called a failed star. The Moon orbits the Earth in an elliptical path. The Earth's moon is the fifth largest moon in the solar system. The planet with a moon named Europa is Jupiter. Planet with a moon Enceladus is Saturn. Planet with a moon Triton is Neptune. Planet with a moon Miranda is Uranus. The planet that has most prominent ring system is Saturn. The planet that has a day and night cycle most similar to Earth is Mars. The name of galaxy containing the solar system is Milky Way. The term geocentric means Earth-centered. The term heliocentric means Sun-centered. The planet with the most circular orbit is Venus. The planet with the most eccentric orbit is Mercury. The planet that is visible to the naked eye is Saturn. The planet that was discovered using mathematics before it was seen is Neptune. The planet that has a tilt of 98 degrees is Uranus, and with a tilt of 25 degrees is Mars. With a 23.5 degrees is Earth. With a tilt of 27 degrees is Saturn. With a tilt of 3 degrees is Jupiter. The galaxy is a vast system of stars, dust and gas.